Houston is a great place to live. Lots of folks are moving here all the time. That means it's a good place to sell your house. You can get a great price if you do it right. Spring is a popular time to sell houses. Families are on the move in the summer. They want to get settled before school starts. This means more buyers for you. Summer can also be good. The weather is nice and people are out and about. They can see your house looking its best. Just be ready for the heat. First impressions are important. Clean up your yard and make it look nice. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for your house. Inside, keep things clean and clutter-free. You want buyers to imagine themselves living there. Selling your home can be a big decision. Think about the time of year. Is it a busy time for selling? Get your house ready. Make it look its best. With a little planning, you can sell your Houston home for a great price.